My rice spatula, baby.
Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome to 1K Yellow Diamond channel. Now, as you can see right here, I have my Elite Gourmet electric skillet. I'm so excited, y'all, because y'all know I've been saying I need to give me a second electric skillet. And I got one from the TikTok shop, baby. Yeah, so if you want one, the information will be in the description box below. This is my new electric skillet. It's ceramic. It got good old handles to it, which I love. That's the plug. It goes all the way up to 450 degrees. My other one went to 400. So this one get a little hot, baby. And it got the card. Now the card is a little short, but that's okay. We can work with it. So let's plug this bad boy up because, baby, I'm ready to test this out on some real cooking, right?
It's burning. Woo, it's hot. It's burning. It's burning. You gonna see your man, honey. You gonna see Rocco. Welcome in. We got H Town. We got another H Town in the building. H Town. My rice spatula, baby. Now these are the fried ones. Earlier, there you go. Get you some buffet style. Get you some. That's all I can say. Here you go. Here you go. What the hell? Do they look good on this side? I don't know. Yes. Welcome in, H Town. Okay, y'all, let's try because I'm hungry. Let's try one. I love tartar sauce. Oh, wait, I said I want to put a tomato, but baby, I love tomatoes. I'm putting a tomato on mine. Tomato. Okay, y'all. There you go. Mm. Mm. Yum. That's not burnt up bread. That's good, good. Y'all, that's some that buffalo wing sauce. Let's try it. Mm. 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 Mhm. Too tiny. This is just some shrimp, pepper jack shrimp sliders. That's all. I'm gonna have my burnt one. I'm gonna have my burnt one with tomato. I'm gonna add some onion. Mm. Woo! Hot. And one big old jumbo. Now that was a jumbo shrimp. Sure wasn't colossi. I'm not gonna eat this tartar sauce. Now, what's all there?